welcome back. This is John from Inhale Exhale, and in today's guided meditation, I'm going to be walking you through how to unhook awareness from thought as you gently shift into your body and come to rest in your heart space. This practice is essential for connecting with the body and embodying the process of letting go, which can never happen in the mind. And from the heart, you'll learn to rest into presence, open awareness, and experience what it feels like to live grounded, connected, and free. Now let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting up or lying down. And I invite you to close your eyes, or you can keep them open with a soft gaze. And for right now, you can bring your attention to your breath, in and out through the nose. Just allowing yourself to connect with the present moment. And now, without knowing exactly how, just following your intuition, unhook your awareness from your thoughts. And now you're going to bring this awareness to the top of your head. And now going beyond the sensations at the top of your head, you're going to become aware of what it feels like from inside the skin. And now going down even deeper and recognizing what it feels like to be aware from behind your forehead. Now moving your awareness down, becoming aware of what it feels like to be aware from the inside of your eyes, inside of your nose, inside your mouth, all sides of the jaw, and now becoming aware of the back of your head, and again feeling from within. Now bringing your awareness down to the back of your neck. And again, feeling deeply from within. Expanding that awareness to the inside of your throat. and down to the inside of your collarbones. And now letting your awareness pour into your upper chest. And deep inside your rib cage. Now slowly and gently come to rest in your heart space. And now allowing your awareness to rest fully in your heart space, in the very center of your chest. Now, as you rest here, you may feel warmth, openness, or tenderness, or perhaps stillness and spaciousness. And whatever arises, it is welcome. And as you rest here, if any emotions come to the surface, feel them from your heart space. And just allow them to be there. As you feel them fully. And feeling from compassion and acceptance. And if thoughts return, notice them, and then allow your awareness to return to your heart. And rest here for the next few minutes. Simply being with no effort, no trying, just presence in the heart. And now, as the meditation comes to a close, take notice of how you're feeling in the moment. What sensations are present? And now you can bring your hands gently to your heart and recognize that this space is always here and always available. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and carry this presence with you into your day, remaining aware from the heart and fully connected. And if you would like more guidance on your journey of letting go and emotional release, I created a free audio bundle called Feel to Heal. And this audio bundle is a set of 3 guided practices that take you through the entire process of letting go. And if that's something that you would like access to, you can click the link in the description. And if you would like to get updated on future content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And if you found value in this video, please give it a like. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.